Okay, today we'll discuss the next topic, that is K nearest neighbor regression topic. First of all, this is a type of a machine learning algorithm or a machine learning model. So it is going to find the regression value. Okay, so what is the meaning of a classification? Okay, it gives some label, it gives some class as a output. What is the meaning of regression? It gives some continuous value or it gives some real value, that is called regression. So classification and then regression are the outputs of the machine learning model. You take any machine learning model, they are the outputs. Okay. Now coming to the what is the nearest neighbor, K. First of all, and nearest neighbor means uh, we have to find the nearest neighbor using some distance value. Okay, first of all we will see the what is the topic about the K nearest neighbor regression. Later we will see what is the KNN basics. Okay, first of all, K is a constant. K is a constant. The topic name is KNN regression. It is a non-parametric algorithm that predicts the value of a target variable by averaging the values of its k closest neighbors in the training set. Okay, so theory you may not understand directly. I will take one small example. See, there is a one no then one there is a one word is there, that is a non-parametric. What is the meaning of non-parametric? We'll see here below. Mainly we are focusing about the KNN regression. We will see the basics of the KNN later. First of all, if there is a parametric, okay, if there is a parametric, it means we are using some formula to find the label, to find the class. Okay, that is called a parametric. See, you are teaching a model, you teach a model, that it means you are training a model using some fixed formula. So once it learns this formula, it can predict, it can find any house price using this equation. Okay, that is called parametric. What is a non-parametric? Means you are not teaching your machine learning model using any formulas. Instead, you are showing the past examples. It means, now come below. See here, what is a non-parametric? Means no formula is learned. Okay, so prediction is made by comparing the similar examples. Now you see here, parametric means there will be a formula. What is a non-parametric? We are not using any formula. That is the main difference. Now coming to the our main concept, that is KNN regression. This is the, now you see here, this entire para is taken in the single line, that is KNN regression. Okay, so read this line. KNN regression predicts a value by averaging the values of its k closest neighbors. Okay, we will see what is KNN concept later. What is the basic idea of the KNN. Now we are seeing about talking about the KNN regression. Okay, now you see here, for example, I am having a data. See, this is the training data I am having. This is I am having two columns. So one is the study hours, second one is the exam marks. It means if a student will learn 1 hour, he or she is going to get 40 marks. If a student learns 2 hours, he is going to get 50 marks. If a student learns 3 hours, he is going to get 60 marks, like that. Okay, so now here, this is the column. This is the column which is independent variable. This is the column which is the dependent variable. It means the outcome of this is depending upon the number of hours. Okay, now in this, what is x, what is y? This is x. Study hours is the x. What is the y? Y is the, this is the value y. Okay, now I want to find, okay, I want to predict marks for a student who studies 3.5 hours using k equal to 2. It means I am finding the two closest values. That is called k. K is a constant actually. Now you see here, step 1. Find the two closest study hours. Now, what is the value study hours? 3.5. What is the nearest value? 3 and 4. Okay, so 3 and 4. Now we see the table, 3 and 4. So these are the nearest values. K equal to 2. It means I am finding two values. If you take k equal to 3, you take 3 values. If you take k equal to 4, you have to find the, take the 4 nearest values. Now I am taking k equal to 2. It means I am taking the So 3 and 4. In between, these are the nearest values for the 3.5. Then what you have to take? 3 hours, what are the marks? 60. 4 hours, what are the marks? 70. Then you take the average of those marks. 65 plus 70 by 2, which is equal to 65. Okay. These are the marks gained when the person is going to study of 3.5 hours. That is called KNN regression. Very simple. Now you see the answer. The output is the 65 marks. This is not a label. This is not a class. This is a regression value. So regression is always a value. That is not a class. That is what our definition. See the definition, entire para. It is a non-parametric algorithm. It means we are not using any formulas. We are finding the values target variable by averaging. That's what we have done. Okay, of the its k closest to neighbors in the training set. This is entire para is taken on a single line. What is single line? KNN regression predicts a value by averaging the values of its k closest to neighbors. That's what k equal to 2. It means 3 and 4. I am taking the average of 60 by 70. That is what answer. So that is about the KNN regression. In this only, uh, there are 3 steps. Look at similar past examples, averaging the values. Finally, I am getting the answer. Okay, this is called KNN regression. Next, we'll see about the practicals on the KNN regression algorithm. So KNN classifier is different compared to the KNN regression. Okay.